afternoon. I'm a teacher of English of Kulan Agricultural High College. The subject is Professional English, the second course, Horticulture. Today our theme is the soil and model verbs. Dear students, watch the video and pay attention to the type of the soil.
Or soil layers. We have the O up on top, which is our organic layer containing all of our plants right here. Then we have A, our topsoil, and you can see that as we go down the colors change a little bit. So this region right here is our topsoil from here to here. Rotting plants, organic, and finely weathered rock. We have a B horizon. And you can see here it's mostly the same color. Little organic material, right? We're farther away from it. Partially weathered rock in this region. As we get to the C, or the regolith, we can see that it's some bedrock broken down into bigger pieces, and then finally a D horizon, which is bedrock right here. Sometimes you'll have all these layers, sometimes none. It depends on the area, but in a typical region where we have the breakdown of bedrock and with given enough time and little disturbance, we'll get the sediments to pile up with organic material up on top.
And now, please complete the diagram. What kind of soil do you know? And please listen and repeat after me. Primitive, igneous rocks, magma, aggregate, crystal, compound, property, moisture, disintegration, decomposition, sandstone, sandy. On the left column you have English words, and on the right column you have soil. Soil is produced from rock by the process of weathering and by the activities of plants, animals, and man. Primitive or igneous rocks formed by the soil deification of the magma in the process of the cooling of the earth consist of aggregates of mineral crystals which are large or small according to the rate at which cooling took place. Each mineral is a chemical compound with specific chemical and physical properties. As soon as igneous rocks are exposed to changing temperatures, moisture, etc., slow process of disintegration and decomposition begin. The weathering of a rock is generally due to a combination of physical and chemical actions. The weathered products of rock alone do not constitute a soil. Plants establish themselves very soon after weathering begins, and the mineral material thus becomes mixed with plant remains. These remains in the process of decay form an addition to the products of rock weathering. Soil is therefore a mixture of organic and inorganic material containing a large and complex population of living things. The general character of a soil depends to a considerable extent on the nature of the parent material. Thus, a coarse-grained sandstone will generally produce a sandy soil, and a stratum of a shale a heavy soil. And please complete the sentences. First of all, read the text and complete the sentences with the words from the text. Next task is find the translation of English. Today our grammar material is modal verbs. We know modal verbs can, should, may, need, have to, must. Can істей алу. Бір іс-әрекетке қабілеттілікті шама келуді білдіреді. I can swim. Мен жүзе аламын. Should керек қажет, кеңес беру, нұсқау беру іс-әрекеттің болу мүмкіндігін білдіреді. You should water the flowers. Сен гүлдерге су құю қажетсің. May болады. Бір іс-әрекеттің рұқсат етілуін білдіреді. You may take my book. Сен менің кітабымды алсаң болады. Need керек қажет. Іс-қимылдың міндетті түрде болуын істелуін көрсетеді. I need to take this money. Мен осы ақшаны алуым керекпін. Have to керек қажет. Істелінетін істің қажеттілігін міндеттілігін көрсету үшін қолданылады. I have to go home because I have much work at home. Мен үйге баруым қажетпін, себебі менде көп жұмыс бар. Must қажет керек. Бір іс-әрекеттің керектігін, міндеттілігін білдіреді. I must study. Men okum қажетпін. And next, please choose the